Hi everybody, so welcome all. So today I have got a mail and there is a trending going on. सब जगह एक trending चल रहा है कि no makeup look challenge देना है. तो एक challenge मेरे पास भी आया है, तो I'm going to try some no makeup look. Just see how I do it and if you like it ज़रूर comment करिए हमारे comment box के में. So I'll use a hairband. So what do I do before going for makeup? लाइक मैं एक मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करती हूँ. मैं लोटस का एक मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ कर रही हूँ जस्ट टू गिव अवर मॉइस्चर. I'll be using a foundation. It's from Revlon. Basically, whenever we have to go out, I don't go with lots of makeup, but I use a very minor makeup like this. तो मैं कवर अप देने के बाद हल्का सा फाउंडेशन यूज़ करूँगी अंडर आईज, माय नोज, माय हेड. अपने नेकी भी हम भी लगा लीजिएगा. डिफरेंट करूँगी. इसके बाद मैं करूँगी लिटिल बिट ऑफ जिस काउंटरिंग करेंगे थोड़ा सा, वो बहुत ही लाइट करेंगे हम. आई एम जस्ट यूजिंग माई फिंगर्स फॉर इट. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द काउंटरिंग. Put a little bit on my nose. Easy and fast makeup. My jawline. I'll surely go with a mascara. Which is a little bit of high mascara in my foundation. I'm using this Maybelline lip balm as it is a no makeup look, so I don't want to give a very heavy makeup, and so I'm using this lip balm and it gives a lovely pink shade into your lips. And now for a tint I can use it in my cheeks even. A little bit in my eyes. It's a complete makeup. A little bit of my nose, and if you want to give it a nose, it gives it shine. So I hope you will like it. And this is my no makeup look, where I am not using any makeup within. It's beautiful. So comment me in the comment box if you like it. And be in tune with me, so I'll be coming up with more and more work. Bye bye.